Hello guys, welcome to the channel. If you're here, chances are you are a fresher about to embark on an exciting university journey, or you are planning to dive into the world of IT at GCTU. Either way, you've landed at the right place. This channel is all about making your transition into university life smoother and more enjoyable. Here's what you can expect. Campus survival tips. I will guide you on what to expect in school as a fresher, whether it's academics, social life, or even how to handle the inevitable homesickness. IT beginner insights. If you are starting your IT journey, I'll break down what the field looks like in university, the basics you need to know, and some tips to get ahead in your courses. Campus locations, from lecture halls to libraries, and even where to find the best spots to relax on the GCTU campuses. I've got you covered. Food hunt. I'll explore food locations on campus and nearby, showing you the menus, the prices, and even giving you my honest review of how the food tastes. Tutorials. I will create teaching content on some topics from IT and other popular courses to help you ace your classes. Last but not least, custom content. And most importantly, I want this channel to serve you. If there's anything you'd like me to create a content on, drop it in the comments and I'll do my best to deliver. This channel is all about you, helping you succeed and have fun along the way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the videos to come. Goodbye for now. Bye-bye.